Welcome to Dorman Products Ignition Cylinder Installation video. Before you begin, this installation is considered to be an easy repair by our technicians and should take approximately 30 to 40 minutes. Warning: prior to installation, you must disconnect the battery before proceeding. Begin the installation by removing the column tilt lever. Continue by unscrewing the bottom column cover retaining screws. We suggest moving the shift selector boot to help with removal. Then remove cover. Next, remove upper cover. Begin by removing the ignition lock cylinder by turning the key to the start position. Again, make sure the battery is disabled prior to this point or vehicle will start. While holding the key in the start position, depress the release tab on the lock cylinder, accessible through the hole in the top of the ignition housing, with a small screwdriver and remove lock cylinder. Note: you may have to wiggle the lock back and forth to fully engage release tab. Once removed, install your new ignition lock cylinder in the ignition housing. Once your new lock cylinder is in position, reconnect the battery.
Key programming procedure. Remove and separate the new transponder keys from the key ring prior to programming. Insert the non-transponder key provided. Hold up the original key next to the lock cylinder on the steering column, while holding the original key next to the lock cylinder, and turn the ignition to the on position for 10 seconds. Tech note: after the 10 seconds have passed, keep the original key away from the lock cylinder. Remove the non-transponder key and immediately insert the first transponder key provided. Turn to the on position for 10 seconds and then turn to the off position and remove the key. Insert the second transponder key and turn to the on position for 10 seconds and then turn to the off position. The new transponder keys are now programmed and ready for use.